process, the booty starts moving as well.
मतलब shake your tongue on the floor में वो बात नहीं है ना?
है कि नहीं?
Shake your हाथ on the floor, shake your गर्दन on the floor, उसमें कुछ ये बात shake your booty, हाँ ये अच्छा ये.
Hi Arjun, Deepika, Alok here from OFM.
Sir, why are you still wearing sunglasses?
क्योंकि
Wait,
लगे ना कि मैं जग के आया हूँ टाइप्स.
आप और मैं जो लोखंड वाला से आया करें. जी.
मेरा आप दोनों से सवाल है कि सुबह इन जनरल आप कितने बजे उठ जाते हैं?
जब दीपिका पादुकोण बोलती है मैं आ जाता हूँ उठ के.
दीपिका, कभी ऐसे वक्त पे सुबह 8-9 बजे आपने पहले कभी प्रेस कॉन की है? याद आता है?
We troubled you.
नो, मैं तो 5 बजे उठता हूँ.
नहीं कल मुझे जो मिले थे बोला अरे सुबह 8:30 बजे पहुंचना है कैसे. मैंने बोला हाँ मुझे भी 8:30 बजे पहुंचना है कल सुबह. यही दोनों शख्स पहचानिए इन दोनों को. यही दोनों थे कल शाम को मेरे सामने.
अच्छा, आप दोनों की जो तस्वीरें हैं, अर्जुन आपके तस्वीर के ऊपर लिखा है रोमांस एंड दीपिका आपके ऊपर लव. अर्जुन आपके लिए रोमांस क्या है एंड दीपिका आपके लिए लव क्या है, अगर डिस्क्राइब कर सकें हिंदी में?
If you are in love, you should have the ability to romance the girl that you're in love with or guy, if you're in love with. I think there has to be love for there to be romance. So you have to feel very passionately. अगर आप किसी की तरफ बहुत passionately feel करते हैं, उनके बिना जी नहीं सकते, उनके बिना रह नहीं सकते, वो आपकी जिंदगी का बहुत अहम हिस्सा है या वो आपकी जिंदगी है, तो आप किसी भी हद तक जाएंगे वो रोमांस होता है. Doing small things, that's romantic. Just being able to make that person smile is romantic. So romance comes in many variables. बहुत अलग-अलग तरीकों से romance हो सकता है. But the important feeling is there has to be love for you to have a genuine romance with somebody.
I don't think you can define it. Love, romance, it's a feeling. You know, I don't think you can define it. It means different things for different people. The feeling is different towards different people. The love you feel for your parents is different for the love you feel for your friend, is different for the love you feel for your husband or your lover. So yeah, but I think the bottom line is, according to me, love is the only universal language.
Hi Deepika, Saroj here from Bollywood Nazar. My question is for you. फिल्म में ऑन स्क्रीन आपने और रणवीर ने शादी कर ली है, तो ऑफ स्क्रीन हम लोगों को ये कब सुनने को मिल रहा है?
No comment.
There's a news that the premiere of the film has been postponed from 25th August to 1st September. Is there any particular reason, or is it also connected to the censor board issue which is
directly related to the censor board issue, and I think there is a rule that it takes at least a minimum of 8 days once it goes into the censor for it to be passed at any level. Our film is being censored right now actually, which is why Homi and the rest of the team are not here. And because of the backlog, we all know there's been a backlog, and there are a lot of films that need to be censored. So our film's gone in today, and so we need to keep a minimum of an 8-day gap before we can actually screen it. We've also decided to do something slightly different. And I also think that comes from the fact that we're very happy with the film that we've made, and the film is ready. So instead of doing the usual thing, which is to, you know, promote the film and then have a premiere or then show the film to everyone at last minute, we've decided to do the reverse, which is to actually start with the premiere, which will now be on the 1st of September, and then kind of have various screenings for everyone, so that when the film finally premieres on the 12th